Hello students, I am MS Misra, math teacher of LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, in the previous topic I have already discussed about the questions of linear equations which is related in the daily life. Today I will also solve some question of linear equation which is in daily life, in which first of all question is question number one. Question number one is the sum of four consecutive integer is 178. What are integers? What are integers? What are integers? Solution. Now we are given in question the sum of four consecutive integers is 178. First of all, I will explain question. In the question given sum of four consecutive integers. What is four consecutive integer? What is consecutive integer? Consecutive integer means four numbers which comes serial wise. Suppose that's 4, 5, 6, 7. Four consecutive integer 4, 5, 6, 7. Another consecutive integer is 45, 46, 47 and 48. Now in the given question, first consecutive integer is unknown, therefore I suppose first consecutive integer is x, second x plus 1, third x plus 2 and fourth x plus 3. Let us consider four consecutive integer be x, x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. Let us consider four consecutive integers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. Now in the question given a sum of four consecutive integers 178. Therefore, according to the question, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 equal 178. Therefore, first this is linear equation. I'll solve this line equation by the method of linear equation. We add x plus x, 2x, 2x plus x, 3x, 3x plus x, 4x plus 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 4x plus 6 equal 178. Therefore, 4x. Now, I transpose plus 6 from left side to right side. Then it will be 4x equal 178 minus 6. Therefore, it will be 4x equal 172. 4x equal 172. Therefore, x equal 172 upon 4. When you divide 172 by 4, we get 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16, 4 3 ja 12. Therefore, x will be 43. Now first integer is x equal x plus 3. Therefore first integer equal x equal 43. Second integer equal x plus 1 equal 43 plus 1 equal 44. Third integer equal x plus 2 equal 43 plus 2 equal 45. Fourth integer equal x plus 3 equal 43 plus 3 equal 46. Therefore four consecutive integer is x equal 43, consecutive 43, 43, 44, 45 and 46. Now next question of the linear equation which is used in daily life is three times a number. Question number 2 is 3 times a number, 3 times a number added to 12 gives minus 6. Find the number. Find the number. 3 times a number added to 12 gives minus 6. Find the number. Solution. In the question given that 3 times a number, you have not given number. Suppose unknown number be x. Let number be x. 3 times a number added to 12. 3 times means क्या हुआ? 3 multiplied by x. Therefore 3 times a number equal 3x. According to the question, 3 times a number added to 12. Therefore, according to the question, 3x plus 12. What we find? Minus 6. Give minus 6 equal minus 6. Now we transpose plus 12 from left side to right side. then it will be 3x equal minus 6 minus 12. Therefore 3x equal minus 18. Therefore x equal minus 18 upon 3. 3 6 are 18. It will be minus 6. Now minus 6. Number will be minus 6. If you want to check this solution is wrong or right, then check how to check solution. 3 times a number, it means we will multiply by minus 6 into 3. Minus 6 into 3. 3. Added to 12, then 12. If we find out minus 6, then our answer is correct. But if not find minus 6, the answer is not correct, wrong. Therefore, minus 18 plus 12. Sum of minus 18 and plus 12 will be minus 6. Comes out minus 6. It means our answer is correct. Okay. Now next question is, next question of the linear equation related to daily life. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, one third of which number one third of which number must be subtracted from 7 by 11 to give 24 upon 55. 24 upon 55. Now solution of this question is, one third of which number? One third of which number? Let number be x. Let number be x. One third of a number must be subtracted from 7 by 11. Therefore, according to the question, one third of this number subtracted from 7 by 11. Therefore, 7 by 11 minus one third of x, 1 by 3x, equal gives 24 upon 55. 24 upon 55. Now we take LCM of 11, 3 and 55. We take LCM of 11, 3 and 55. We get LCM is 11 3 are 33, 55 into 3. LCM is 55 into 3, 165. Therefore, we multiply 165 both sides. Multiply 165 both sides. 165 into 7 by 11 minus 165 multiplied by 1 by 3 x equal 165 multiplied by 24 by 55. 11 1 जा 11, 11 5 जा 55, 3 5 जा 15, 3 5 जा 15, 5 3 जा 165, 15 से 105 minus 55x equal 24 3 जा 72. Now minus 55x equals 72 minus 105. Minus 55x equals 72 minus 105. Now minus 55x equal minus 5 minus 2 equal 3 and 10 minus 7 equal 3. Minus cancelled by minus sign, therefore x equal 33 by 55. 11 3 ja 33 and 11 5 ja 55. Therefore x equal 3 by 5. Therefore required number equal 3.5. Now I hope that all these questions is clear to you and you can done this type of question very easily. Be positive. Goodbye.